Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button so you can become part of this family. Also make sure you turn on your post notifications so that you're alerted anytime a new video is posted. So really quick, I wanted to give you guys like a little life update and what's going on. This will also be a hair care routine. And I wanted to give you a little bit of a life update so you guys can kind of understand exactly what's happening right now in my life. If you guys don't follow me on my social media, make sure you guys follow me on my social media sites. I will place it right here at the bottom of the screen so you guys can follow me on all of the social media sites that I actually have. So recently I've been very sick, so I'm sorry about posting. Haven't posted much over the last probably week or so. I've been very ill and in the hospital, like in and out, and so it started a couple months ago where I just wasn't feeling very well, and a couple of different indicators was just like fatigue, feeling just extra tired all the time and not knowing what to do with like how tired I was, and then I started to feel like physically ill. So like my throat started to just like bleed out of nowhere. And I started to have like extremely dry like hair, scalp. Anytime I would eat, my stomach would hurt. Sometimes it would hurt when I didn't eat. Just all these things. And you know guys, if you guys don't know me personally, you don't know, but like I'm one of those kind of people who I'm like a push past it type person. So that's basically what I was doing. I was just pushing past everything that I was feeling, and yeah, that's pretty much it. It was just kind of like a keep going key, you know, like I have responsibilities, I have people that look up to me that I have to take care of, and so that was kind of like my mindset, like I'll take care of it later, when I get time. And then I woke up last week and I just felt terrible, and I haven't felt that way in a long time. So I went to work that day. Although I was feeling awful, I still went, and I worked that whole day. And then the next morning when I woke up, I felt super bad, to the point where I knew that I needed to go see some sort of doctor. So I went to the hospital, and they pretty much just kind of like wrote me off in a way I feel, and like tried to template how I was feeling. They gave me medication. The medication made me feel worse, which had me back in the hospital. Wasn't able to eat. I just started being able to eat something, but even when I eat, my stomach feels like really bad. So to give you guys kind of an idea of how serious it's been, I lost about 12 pounds in just the last like 5 days, which is very unhealthy. So right now they have me on all these medications. I got out of the hospital yesterday, and they have me on tons and tons of medications, basically trying to troubleshoot. And I didn't really feel like they really tried to do the best that they could do. They just started taking blood after all these days and really trying to figure out what's going on. And there's only one doctor who actually seemed like she really wants to know and get down to the bottom of it. So I actually have to go back and see her next week after she wants to know if the medications are doing anything. If not, then we'll take more serious measures. So I want to give you guys kind of like a life update in a way, but also kind of to point to why I wanted to do this hair routine, hair care video, for anybody who's battling with extremely dry scalp. And you might not know why. Dry scalp can be caused by different things. What I did was I went ahead and I partnered up with Nexon Botanics for some tea tree shampoo. So this is what I'm going to be using to shampoo my hair. So in the next clip, you guys will see me actually shampooing my hair. So basically they say for this, it's made with vitamin C, B5 and E, tea tree oil, peppermint oil, lavender oil, and rosemary extract. And it's sulfate free. So you guys know that I'm natural and my hair is naturally very curly. So if I put any type of sulfate on my hair, it's just gonna dry it out more, which then is gonna dry my scalp out. You guys get the idea. And then I talked to some other people about what type of conditioner I should use, because most of these places like this don't have conditioners that match, that actually work. So I was told to use the Quenching Coconut Curls conditioner, so that's what I'm going to use. And I'm not going to put this on my scalp, but just on like my actual hair to keep it moisturized so it doesn't break off. But yeah, so I'll let you guys know for sure how I feel about the Nexon Botanics tea tree shampoo, as well as the coconut curls conditioner that I'm going to use. So we'll go ahead and we'll hop into the video, and you guys will see me shampooing, conditioning my hair, and probably detangling it a little bit too. Alright guys. Hey guys, okay, so as you guys just saw, that I washed my scalp with the tea tree shampoo from Nexon Botanics, and I tried to get in there really good into all the different parts of my scalp, and then I went in with the quenching coconut curls conditioner, and I put that on my hair and detangle it and let it sit in just for a few minutes as I was detangling, going through, and then I rinsed it out. I will say about the shampoo, the tea tree shampoo actually does really feel good. It doesn't burn at all, so there's no burning, so that's great. And the only thing I'll say is that it does get your hair really clean, so you'll feel like that squeaky clean when you're rinsing it. So having the shampoo was great for my scalp, but being able to put the conditioner on there afterwards, I think it's gonna, it basically like gave my hair some life. because the one thing about it is your scalp and your hair are two different things, right? Although your hair grows from your scalp has to be healthy in order for your hair to grow from it, but then you want to keep your hair like, you know, moisturized and things like that, especially when you're natural. So being able to put those two together, I think is going to be a good mix for me. I'm going to continue to use it, and I'll let you guys know maybe in future videos how the tea tree shampoo is actually working for me and all the issues that I'm having. But so far I did like it. So all I did at the end was I just took some of the OGX, it's called Gel Curl, and I just put that on my hair, brushed it back, put it in ponytail, and then I just braided it. So I'll probably end up wearing it like this tomorrow, but especially with the way I'm feeling, I don't have the energy to do a whole ton, so this will be the best I get. Maybe I'll put some hoops on or something, I don't know, but I'm definitely going to try to attempt to do my makeup in the morning, because I don't want to scare people at work. But yeah, so I definitely like it. If you guys look close up on my hair, it's still wet. It looks dry, but it's still actually wet. But it should be dry by the morning. And I never wear a part down the middle, but I've been kind of in this middle part phase. What I did do though, since I don't have any tea tree oil, that's what I want to get. I want to get some tea tree oil for my scalp. Because they say tea tree oil is the best. So if you guys have any suggestions about tea tree oil, please put it in the description. If you guys have any suggestions about tea tree oil, different types and brands, put it in the comments for me down below, and I'll try some of them. Just because I'm trying to get things that's gonna work. Like I need like a hair regimen, like a serious hair regimen. So today I used the because I don't have tea tree oil, I used the Garnier Sleek and Shine. I've always used that like in the past, but it's not necessarily designed for scalp, it's designed for frizzy hair. So I need something that's specific for like my scalp, because that's where the problem is. And in order to have hair that's nice and luxurious and long, you want to get a healthy scalp. So if you guys have any suggestions, please leave it in the comments. I'm super excited about 2020. Thank you guys so much for coming along on this journey, and I can't wait to see what 2020 brings for me and my family, as well as for you and yours.